Greetings Scrum enthusiasts, welcome back to our Scrum Master Training. In this session, we are immersing ourselves in Module 4 and Lecture number 7, specifically focusing on Agile coaching techniques. Agile coaching is a skill that goes beyond simply knowing the Scrum framework. It's about guiding teams, fostering a culture of continuous improvement, and enabling individuals to reach to their full potential. Today, we will explore the notions of Agile coaching and strategies for effective implementation. Before we delve into coaching techniques, let's clarify the distinction between coaching and mentoring. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they represent distinct approaches. Coaching is a collaborative process that aims to enhance an individual's performance and help them achieve specific goals. It involves asking questions, providing feedback, and guiding the coachee to discover solutions independently. On the other hand, mentoring is more about sharing knowledge and experience. A mentor provides guidance based on their own experiences, offering insights and advice to the mentee. In the Agile context, coaching is particularly powerful. It involves working with teams and individuals to improve their understanding of Agile principles, enhance collaboration, and ultimately deliver better results. To be an effective Agile coach, one must embody a specific mindset. It's not just about imparting knowledge, but creating an environment where continuous learning and improvement thrive. Now let's explore strategies that can elevate your Agile coaching game. These techniques are not rigid rules but adaptable principles that can be tailored to suit the different team dynamics. Trust is the foundation of any successful coaching relationship. As an Agile coach, invest time in building rapport with team members, listen actively, demonstrate empathy, and be genuinely interested in their perspectives. Active listening is cornerstone for effective coaching. It's not just about hearing words, it's about understanding the emotions and motivation behind them. Practice reflective listening to ensure clarity. A skilled coach knows the power of asking the right question. Thought-provoking questions stimulate critical thinking and empower individuals to explore solutions on their own. Observation is a powerful coaching tool. By keenly observing team dynamics, workflow, and interactions, you can provide targeted feedback that fosters improvement. Coaching is not one-way street. Facilitate collaborative conversations within the team. Encourage open dialogue and create a space where everyone feels comfortable sharing ideas and concerns. Each team member is unique. Tailor your coaching approach to the individual's strengths, weaknesses, and learning style. A one-size-fits-all strategy may not yield the best results. Establish clear goals and expectations for the coaching relationship. The clarity provides a roadmap for progress and ensures that both the coach and coachee are aligned. A growth mindset is crucial in Agile environment. Encourage team members to see challenges as an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace a culture of continuous improvement. Agile environments are dynamic and change is unavoidable. As a coach, guide the team through change, emphasizing the benefit and helping them navigate uncertainties. Effective coaching involves striking a balance between providing support and challenges the status quo. Challenges encourage growth, while support ensures individuals feel empowered to face the challenge. Agile teams thrive when they have a sense of autonomy, encourage self-organization and decision-making within the team, empowering them to take ownership of their work. Resistance to change is natural. An Agile coach needs to handle resistance effectively by understanding the concerns, addressing them, and fostering a sense of ownership in the change process. Agile is all about continuous learning. Create an environment that fosters curiosity and a hunger for knowledge. Encourage regular retrospective and knowledge sharing sessions. Visual aid can enhance understanding. Consider leveraging visualization tools like Kanban board or sprint burn-down charts to make complex concepts more tangible. Let's delve into practical example. We will explore case studies where Agile coaching techniques were applied, showcasing the impact they had on team dynamics and project outcomes. In our first case study, we will explore the agile coaching techniques were employed to transfer team collaboration within software development team. The team faced challenges in communication and collaboration. Agile coaching was introduced to address these pain points. Agile coaching involved implementing strategies like daily stand-up, pairing sessions, and regular retrospective to enhance collaboration and communication. The results were tangible. The team demonstrated improved collaboration, and the agile coaching technique became ingrained in their daily workflow. Our second case study explores how agile coaching played an important role in scaling agile practices across multiple teams in large organizations. Scaling agile practices posed challenges in consistency and alignment across diverse teams. Agile coaching was identified as the solution. Agile coaching involved implementing consistent agile practices, conducting cross-team retrospectives, and fostering a shared understanding of agile principles. The impact was significant. Teams aligned their practices, and the organization achieved a higher level of agility, leading to improved delivery times and product quality. Our third case study delves into the agile coaching navigated change dynamics in a project with evolving requirements. The project faced constant change in requirements, requiring agile coaching to adapt strategies and guide the team through the uncertainty. Agile mindset involves strategies like dynamic sprint planning, close collaboration with stakeholders, and empowering the team to embrace the change as a part of the agile mindset. As with any agile coaching endeavor, lessons were learned. Continuous improvement became a guiding principle, ensuring that coaching strategies evolved with the changing needs of the project. Alright, Scrum Master, you are doing a great job. And as we are embarked on the continuous improvement, it is very important to self-evaluate. So for self-evaluation, assignment and quiz are mentioned in this lecture description. Go and try yourself with assignments and quiz and see where you stand. Keep in mind that we are embarked on a journey that fosters agile mindset. As we conclude the exploration of agile coaching technique, remember that mastery in agile coaching is an ongoing journey. It's about adapting to unique team dynamics, leveraging strategies that resonate, and always fostering a culture of continuous improvement. See you in our next session, where we will delve into exam preparation and certification tips of Scrum Mastery. Till then, stay curious and happy learning.